Hmm. Violence. Is that any way to treat your boyfriend? Oh yeah. She's gonna kill him. He's not my type. And I'm gonna tear him to pieces. Get those eyes. Good for the eye. Hope it's right on her. Yeah. It's the eye of the tiger. Oh, it tastes so good. There's other more cards. How dare you get in my cage? Can I come in your cage? Yeah. Destiny. 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 I don't like this. I don't like him. We got a nice shot of her. I hope it's clear. No, don't do it too close. Ooh, she sees the camera. She looks angry. Hey, angry? Oh yeah, like you could really tell. Destiny. Rocky, Rocky, Rocky. Hey, sweet. You don't need him. He's not real. You're real. At least I think you are. You're sweet. He's sweet. Yeah. Gonna turn into that ghost now in Ghostbusters, where the lady in the librarian all of a sudden explodes into a ghost. That's Destiny. She's the next ghost. Okay, that's enough.